Okay, so let's see who won that Cozy Craft kit from, I think it was Project Home DIY. I always forget the name of their box. So I put the URL from that video here. And then down here, I'm filtering comments based on a specific text, which I asked you guys to say cozy. So let's see how many entries there are. So 33 comments with the correct word. And okay, so we're gonna scroll down. Oh look, Missouri Star Quilt Company is in the ad. Fancy that. Okay, sorry, let me focus. Okay, let's click start and see who our winner is. Jean's Junk. All right, Jean, you are the winner of the giveaway. Congratulations. So I will contact you and get your address and send it out to you. So her comment was, how exciting, nice stuff. I love the great cozy picture. Okay, you guys, so we have our winner, and that is exciting. Keep your eyes peeled because I'm gonna have another giveaway coming up soon since I finally reached 1,000 subscribers, and I am so excited about that. And it's all thanks to each and every one of you watching. All right, I'll see you guys next time.